Hyderabad-based Ashri Society, working for the poor for the last 11 years. They distributed 600 cooked food packets to the poor on daily basis during lockdown as several battled with the economic crisis that came along with the pandemic. Now, they also cater to COVID-positive patients. Prapurna and Ramakishore from Ashri Society join us for a conversation. Firstly, if you can tell us about the relief work that you're doing for COVID-positive patients.
Yeah, we are providing a homely cooked food, which is nutritional one, to develop their immunity, and we are providing breakfast, dinner, and lunch for these COVID-affected families. While as we are even providing for the as during the lockdown, we are even providing this COVID-affected patient attendance with food at the hospitals, at 3 hospitals.
Okay, so how are you managing the cooking part here? Because you are supplying it to so many patients. And also, if you can tell us the number of patients you are actually cooking this food for.
Yeah, at Miyapur, we are providing 320 cooked food for COVID-affected families. At Tellapur as well as Medipatnam, we have 2 cooking areas where we are providing, we are cooking for 1,200 people, where that food will be delivered at the hospitals for the attendants, as because there are no hotels during the lockdown, and still we are providing, because the thing is that nobody is good at finance, because they're already paying money, huge money for the hospitals, right? And they are not even having money for getting the food.
Right. Also, how is Ashri Society managing the finances?
Actually, I am into export business, and I have a granite business too. And my father, and it's totally a family who are backbone support to the Ashri Society, and a few sponsors who are even we are into this NGO since the last 11 years. And the few sponsors are willing to come up, and they are also trying to help them. But 90% of the finance is done by our own family.
Also, Ramkishore, I heard that you are also providing wages to those COVID-positive patients who could not go to work. Tell us about also any one heartwarming moment that stayed with you during this relief work.
Okay, actually the thing is that every day we are trying to help out many people who are not having job or work. The thing is that majority of the industries were shut down because of the oxygen, lack of oxygen. So what we are doing is we are giving, we till date we gave around 2,542 ration kits and groceries to all these dry ration as well as groceries to all these people. And next week we are providing even to the tribal area again. Last time we provided like around 600 families for 600 families, as well as what is the heartwarming thing what we saw recently is that uh, parents are affected by COVID, and the children were worried about their children. So they just said we can't take care of our own family members. My mother and my father are affected, and they are staying in the 5th floor, and we were not allowed to take the lift and go to the 5th floor. And the situation was such a worse that even to carry water from downstairs to, I mean, the water cans, nobody was there to help them out, and we need to go, and it's really a heart wrenching moment. You know, they were still, however, by God's grace, now they are healthy. They got a pulse. They got negative.
Kids were struggling because their parents are COVID positive, and then you stepped up and helped them. Prapurna, if in any language you are comfortable with, lastly, if you want to give any message to those who are watching you right now, any language you're comfortable.
ఓకే. అంటే కోవిడ్ వచ్చిందని చాలామంది చాలా వాళ్ళని మానసికంగా బాధ పెట్టారు. సో, అట్లా బాధ పెట్టకుండా వాళ్ళకి మనోధైర్యం ఇచ్చి బాగుండేది. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు కనీసము వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ పాపం అయినా కానీ వాళ్ళ పిల్లలకు ఎక్కడొస్తదో కరోనా అని చెప్పి వాళ్ళని దూరం పెట్టారు. చాలా బాధ అనిపించింది. అలాంటి ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ మేము మేము చాలా చాలా చూసాము. చాలా బాధ అనిపించింది. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజు ఒకరికొకరు హెల్ప్ చేసుకోకపోయినా పర్లేదు కానీ కోవిడ్ వచ్చిందని వాళ్ళని మానసికంగా బాధపెట్టడం అనేది మాకు చాలా బాధ అనిపించింది. సో, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి మేము ఇప్పుడు కూడా 82 రోజుల నుండి కూడా ప్రతిరోజు వాళ్ళకి మంచి న్యూట్రిషన్ ఫుడ్ ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళని కోలుకునేలాగా మేము చేశాము. దానికి చాలా సంతోషం అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఎవరైనా ఇట్లాంటి వాళ్ళు బాధలో ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి సహాయం చేయకపోయినా పర్లేదు కానీ వాళ్ళకొక మనోధైర్యాన్ని ఇస్తే బావుంటుందని నా ఫీలింగ్.
Okay, thank you so very much, both of you. I really appreciate the efforts that you are doing. Thanks for talking to us. This is Arun Singh for NDTV.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.